using. We're going to use the Bobbie Brown 2.0. I want to show you guys a little bit how dirty it was. I'm going to stand back a little bit here and show you what the Bobbie Brown 2.0 is. What we're using here, we're using the Bobbie Brown 2.0. Wheel. Always clean the tires good, so pretty much the tire shine can stick. Just spray it down good. Probably like, oh, you spray a lot. I spray a lot because you know why? I ain't got time to be doing all this. This and that. I spray it down really good. Again, I'm using Bobbie Brown 2.0. Look at it work, baby. Look at it work. That's how it goes. Play. That's because I like to try to get in this angle of the rim itself. I always get my side wheel in, so we put that side on there. Well, this angle, we get it. Look at that. Look it up on this wheel. I'm going to show it to you up close. Show you how well that Bobbie Brown 2.0 did. Look at this. No big production videos, man. This is holding the camera in my hand, man. Look at this. Get up a little closer, you guys really want to see it. Look at that. That's that Bobbie Brown 2.0, baby. This is what we doing, man. SMD. Look at that. Look at that wheel, man. Look at that thing stand out. Okay, I'm just sitting right here for a second. Of course, like I said, we're using the Bobbie Brown 2.0 SMD. Check it out, baby. Thanks again for watching. Okay, guys, we're back. I showed you guys that I cleaned the wheel with the Bobbie Brown 2.0. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the Shine Time tire dressing. Matter of fact, I'm going to get a little closer up here so you guys can look at it. This is the wheel. After we dried it off and stuff. And a little bit of the tire, still a little bit of wet, but don't worry about that. We dried it off before we put the Shine Time on. This is the wheel. Let me back up here and show you guys how we apply our tire shine. So we can move this camera up a little bit like this. Move it back a little bit so you guys can see the whole entire thing here. Okay. Again, guys, we're just doing a little presentation on the tire, so okay, just dried it off a little bit. I'm going to apply the tire shine. I use a bucket. I put the Shine Time inside this here. I use a paintbrush. I just apply it like this. I apply it on the tire just like that. Anybody have any questions about, you know, how you apply tire shine on the tire? This is the way I do it. I don't think that there's not a wrong way or a right way. It's just whatever works for you. I would say that. Just tell you. And pretty much, I just put it on here like this. Sometimes get it between the letters like this. It's helping from slinging everywhere too. I mean, for me, you know, you don't apply a lot of it on there. And how this tire shine here works, it's a oil-based tire shine. So, the longer you let it sit and dry, shine it. Just on the ridges on the outside like this, I just run the paintbrush in between it like this. Not too much. You don't want to put too much because then it slings all over the truck or the car or whatever you're doing. Just pretty much just touch it like this. Just touch it like that. And of course, if I wasn't doing this video, I would roll the car back a little bit and make sure I get the underside of this. But since I'm just doing a little demonstration here, I'm not going to roll the tires back. I'll just let you guys know how to do it. Here's a picture of the finish, and as you can see, the more it dry, it shines more. I'm going to step back and let you guys look at it. It shines more. And that's using the Shine Time tire dressing. And we use the Bobbie Brown 2.0. It will be on the website soon, but this is a video of the before and after. You know, just apply the tire shine.